So on the 9th of March I was at Annie's Land in Bowling to see some light locos that were going through. And she was under OZ30, the 0944, Coles Freight Service 2, Slayford Depot from Moss End Down Yard. And then pulling out as well was 2F13, the 0938, ScotRail Service to Dalmuir from Cumbernauld with 310 to 312 and 320 322.
That's epic. Right, I'm getting close up, so I'll be right back.
I'm not even bothering going back.
And then 3741 departed shortly after at 0948. And then we go to Bowling later on that night where we see OZ80, the 1717 direct rail service to Motherwell TMD DRS from Motherwell TMD DRS with 37419.